Hey Zahar, as you can imagine, water, sewage damage don't ever happen at a good time, right? People don't set aside money every month to pay for these types of damages typically. Right. Can you help us understand a little bit better about what's covered with insurance? What type of damage, what type of loss can people anticipate within homeowners insurance coverage?
Steve, there are many different insurance carriers, different policies that they offer to customers, different prices for the premiums. But typically what we've seen is water damage that is sudden and accidental is covered by insurance. So if you can think of water pipe burst, overflowing washing machine or dishwasher, refrigerator line broke and flooded your kitchen. That was sudden, accidental, it wasn't a maintenance issue. Normally we see these type of losses are covered by insurance. Things that are maintenance issues, just like I mentioned, something that the homeowner could have prevented, normally those things are not covered by insurance. Something that water seepage over time, clogged gutters that were not cleaned up and caused water damage inside. Also city backups, unfortunately, are not covered by insurance. Things like sump pump, they are based on the insurer's policy. They're normally not covered, but the homeowner can add sump pump failure or sump pump backup. They can add a limit and a coverage to their policy. So if you have a finished basement, right, and you have a sump pump, probably a good idea to call your agent and make sure that you're properly covered for if the loss would occur. Another thing that we see often, the claim is being denied by the insurance because of the negligence of a homeowner. And what that means is water damage happened and the homeowner did not call the contractor to do the mitigation, which is stopping the damage to continue, as well as cleanup and drying, and it causes secondary damage. More materials are affected, larger areas. Now you have mold growth. We know from science mold can grow between 24 to 48 hours if the humidity is over 60%, and mold is typically not covered by the homeowner's policy. So that could mean that the claim can be denied. So the time is of the essence. That is why when a homeowner calls us any day, anytime, 24/7, whether it's a Christmas night or Thanksgiving Day, we're going to be there typically within 1 hour and start that mitigation and the cleanup process.